Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because I just got my HP Smart Tank 750 color all-in-one printer, and I made a video on how to set it up. So go ahead and watch that video. The link will be in the description box below. So in today's video, I want to show you how to install the HP Smart app so that you'll be able to start printing from your phone and from your laptop. So if you also want to print from your tablet, it's the same process. So let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. Stay tuned. So go to your browser and type this 123.hp.com and then press enter to take you to their website where you can download the HP app that you can use for printing. Okay, so now it says install HP app. Click on install HP app and then click on install. Then wait for that to load and install completely. Then you can now open it. Now click on open. So the app is opening. So click on allow. So accept all. Now click on sign in. If you have an account, just click on sign in. If you don't have account, click on create account and then follow the instructions. So now you enter your first name, your last name, your email address and your password. So I think I'm creating an account because I don't have an account. Then if you like, you check that box if you want them to send you messages. Then they'll send you a code. Either you click on verify or you go and copy that code and paste it. But I clicked on verify and my app was verified, as you can see. Now you go back to say you're selected to continue. Click on it. So now you have been verified. Now it's time to add your device. It's time to add your device. You know that you have a printer, and adding your printer device will help you to use your phone to be able to, your phone will be connected to your printer so that you can be able to print from your phone. You can also use it on your laptop. Just do the same installation on your laptop. Install the app on your laptop and then add your laptop device. Connect your laptop to your printer so that you can also be able to use your laptop to print or your computer to print from there. Now we have clicked on add a device, so add a printer. Now click on set up a new printer, or if you already have an available printer, select an available printer. Now click on Ethernet cable unless you have a Wi-Fi. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, use internet cable, which is what I'm going to use. So we are done setting it up and I click on print documents, and I wanted to print out PDF documents, so I selected PDF. You can either print PDF or photos. This is PDF documents. Now you're going to select the number of copies you want, the paper size, which is A4. That's what I'm using to print, and I'm printing on one side. This printer can print two sides also, so I'm choosing one side because just the front. Then you go and select whether it's copied or black and white. If it is black and white, as you can see, one-sided, two-sided. So at first I printed colored because I was exploring and experimenting with my printer, so which worked. And then I went ahead. When you scroll down, you see more options that you can choose from, and then you can now select black and white, and it will be able to print in black and white for you. So that is how you can make use of this app to print. Yeah, as you can see, more options. Select black and white. You have colored, you have grayscale. So you want to print in portrait or landscape, you choose, but I left it at automatic, so the printer automatically know which is which. Then I click on reprint because I wanted the document to be in black and white. So once you click on reprint, you see that the printer will start printing out your document and you are going to see it in black and white, and then you are good to go. So the same process that you use in setting up your printer, once you set up this on your phone, once you install the app on your laptop, all you have to do is sign in. You don't need to create another account because it's the same account that you use here that you also use on your laptop to print. Okay, so that is it. So you keep selecting. I noticed that you can't select more than one document, so that is what I was trying to do. If I can select more than one document, so everything will just be coming out like that. But I noticed that you cannot select more than one document. I wish there's an option to select everything so that I can print all once, but unfortunately it wasn't like that. So I had to start doing it one after the other, to print. The same thing happens on your laptop as well, one after the other. But if it's like a particular document that has, let's say, 5, 6 or more pages, once you click on it, you start printing out everything once. But if it's one, just like it I have here, one page for each document, then you're going to be printing it out one after the other. All you have to do is just to select and print. Select the one that you want and print. So that's how it is. I believe you have understood what I showed you here. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. And if you have any questions concerning this, how to set this up, let me know and I'll put you through. Leave me a comment in the comment section. You can also ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. And please don't forget, I started a printing service business where I can type for clients, type, photocopy, print for clients, and I can ship it to wherever you are, as long as it's in bulk. If you want to do bulky documents, I can type, I can print, I can make photocopy for you, and I'll send it to your location wherever you are in Nigeria. Or if you just want me to type and send it in PDF format, just type and send it in PDF format, then you can print it wherever you like, wherever you are over there. I can also do that as well. Please, I need your patronage. Thank you so much. You can also order our services from our website, www.classicladycollections.com. Okay, so that is the website that I'm using for this printing service business. I also have products that you also can buy, like wigs, jewelries, accessories, etc. So just check out our website and buy the product that you want, and we will deliver to you wherever you are in Nigeria. Okay, even if you're in diaspora, you are outside the country and you want us to work on these services for you, we can do it as well. Okay, thank you once again for sticking till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.